and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make a sweet potato salad, and we're making it in Asian style. So what we have here, I have the sweet potatoes. Voila, doesn't have to be perfect clean peel. If you have a little pieces like this, leave it. Even with the skin, it's better. But I already start peeling. I peel the other two, so might as well to peel the whole things. Now we're gonna dice them about ½ inch. Put them here. I'm doing about like a 3 medium-sized sweet potatoes. Voila. Put it in a basket. Now you bring your water to boil and ready to go in the water.
Which one better, boil it or baking it?
Well, that's a good question. You can bake the sweet potato, no problem. But me personally, I like to boil it because it stays a little soft. So when you put the dressing, when you mix it with the dressing, it absorbs the flavor from the dressing. When you bake it, it creates a little hard skin from outside, so it doesn't absorb any flavor from the dressing. That's why.
Good.
Here we go. So now by the time we're waiting for the potato to be ready, we're gonna chop the vegetables for it. I'm using here the Swiss chard called Swiss chard. Nice, beautiful, red, green. It's from the Spanish family. And before that, I wanna mix some sesame oil and a bit salt and pepper. Some sesame and ginger powder. Beautiful. Can you pass me a small? Here we go. And a little bit of hot sauce. Would you mind mixing it for me so I can start chopping here?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Wonderful. So the Swiss chard, we're gonna chop it. Slice the leaf in half and then give it a quick chop. So now let's put them in the bowl. And I have here some green onion. Voila. Now I'm gonna add the rice vinegar. How's the sauce? Is it
mixed good.
Beautiful. Can you pass me a spatula, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Nice. Smells so good. Rice wine vinegar, olive oil, and chickpeas. And now let's check on the potato. How's it doing?
Ready? Yes.
Now, for the when it's finished boiling, you can cool it down in an ice bath, or you can put it on a tray if you have time and put it in the fridge or leave it outside. So it's a beautiful sweet potato. Me, I cool it down in an ice bath. Nice. Let's mix it up a little bit. All together. Beautiful.
You make me hungry, man. Look delicious, really.
It is nice. Now ready to be transferred on the plate.
I'm ready to eat.
You ready to eat?
Yes.
Did you work hard for it?
Yes.
Good. So you work for your food today?
Yes, you make me
good
hungry.
job, Mr. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Can you pass me my things here? Now let's transfer to the plate. Yummy. Sweet potato salad, Asian style. Beautiful. Are you ready, Mr. Wonderful?
Ready to eat, yes.
Ready to eat?
Yes.
Nice. So, always first bite to Mr. Wonderful.
No, yours.
Good?
Delicious, man.
Did I pass the test?
Yes.
Beautiful. So your sweet potato salad, Asian style, it's all yours to make, quick and easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Take care.